Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WDLF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very, very impressive movement on this one today. I mean, you stop thinking about the fact that the price had just been down here, and now the price has worked its way all the way up to there. Any rational person would say, yeah, that's definitely been a very nice move. But that does lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at this area of 002. Now, why is 002 important? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down here to 002 and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range that it just broke out from. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what do you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down here, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the bigger picture, you'd still very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, that progress point being at 002. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, the main level to watch very closely is going to be up there at 0027. You can see that several times today, the price, actually, let me grab this here, but several times today, the price tried to get up through that 0027 mark. Actually, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Price tried to get up through that level and just continue to get rejected over and over again. So I'm not saying that that area up there cannot be broken. I'm just saying that it's become very apparent that the price is really going to have to bring its A game if it is going to be able to push up through that area there. But that'll be public enemy number 1 moving forward. But let's see how this one closes out the week on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.